Let's begin by discussing the global CSS file. Here, we've reset the margin of all body elements to 0 to ensure consistency across different browsers. We've also set a default font family for the entire application. This CSS file will be applied globally across all pages. Next, we have the pages_app.js file. This special file in Next.js allows us to import the global style sheet. The global styles defined in global CSS are now applied to all components within our application thanks to this import statement. In this theme.js file, we're setting up a theme object to store our color scheme and other styling constants. It allows for consistent theming throughout our app by providing a central reference for all theme-related styles. Back in the pages_app.js file, we're wrapping our application with the theme provider from styled components. This provider injects the theme object into all styled components, enabling them to access theme properties directly from their props. Here, we demonstrate how to import a font from Google Fonts and apply it globally. By including this import statement within our CSS and setting the font family on the body element, Open Sans is now the default font for our application. Finally, to ensure that the font loads efficiently with our pages, we modify the _document.js file. It's a special file in Next.js used to augment our applications less than HTML greater than and less than body greater than tags. By including the font links here, we prefetch the Open Sans font, ensuring it's available before the rest of our page is loaded, which can help improve performance.